Hello everyone, for those who don't know me, my name is Kate and I'm a graphic designer and illustrator. In today's video, I'm going to share how to sell artwork in Etsy shop. Last week, I uploaded DIY Mother's Day card video. Today, I'm going to share how to post the artwork on Etsy from start to end. First, scan the artwork. I'm currently using Brother's all-in-one printer. I wish I had a high-resolution scanner, but I'm okay with this printer for now. I scanned my artwork and I retouched it a little bit. It is ready for next step. So I'm going to add text on the top and bottom. This painting is about the big hug, so I decide to add "Mom sending you a big hug." Make sure that all objects are centered and save it. Okay, so I prepared mockups for this card and I want to share with you a few of the free mockup websites that I use often. This website is called FreePic. There are many great quality mockups on this website. It is a mix of free item and pay items, so make sure that your item is free to download. Also, you can download it up to 3 times a day, so make sure to check this point too. Another website is called PSD Mockups. This website also has many great quality mockups. There is no download limit, but this website made up links, so you have to go through several procedures to download. It is a little tricky, but still great free mockup website. I'm going to insert my artwork into the mockups that I prepared. It's time to listing. I'm going to add mock-up photos. And type in the title. And choose a category. Select digital and insert description. Add tags. Lastly, upload the file and publish it. So Etsy listing is completed. Thank you for watching and I hope this video will help your art business. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you again.